Excuse me, sir. You're gonna have to get off my bed. Excuse me. Hello, everyone. So this week's video is, if you couldn't tell, about the blizzard that hit. By the way, this is what it looks like now. Just a little bit of snow. That's all the evidence there is, at least up where I live. Other parts of the state did get way worse, and that's just kind of a fact of living in Colorado. Yeah. So pretty much Friday night, we were supposed to get the start of said snowstorm, and I don't think it really started raining or anything till like midnight. Update, it's finally raining. Don't even know if you can see that, but it's raining. Woo! And it's freezing. Also, my window's open, so maybe that's why it's freezing, but we'll see what this winter storm brings. I'm really hoping I don't have to go to work tomorrow. I'm getting ready to bed. Getting ready to bed? Yeah. Getting ready for bed because it's midnight and still no snow. I think everyone over predicted the storm for here. That's kind of how it goes. You either are way too over, like, oh my god, it's gonna be a blizzard, or it's nothing but rain because it was like 70 yesterday. But we'll see how it is when I wake up in the morning. It did snow a little bit, but it wasn't like horrible. In fact, the roads were clear pretty much all weekend. Well, it's Saturday and no snow. Literally just rain, and I really don't want to go to work. But hopefully tomorrow it'll snow more. I think everyone's overplayed this storm way too much and got my hopes way too high. So yeah, I should get ready for work. I have to be there in like half an hour. So I'm home from work now, and it snowed a little bit, but now it's raining again. So it needs to make up its mind. So it's like rain / snow. I don't know if you can tell, but look, there's snow. So then I came out Saturday night to my parents', which is where I am now. And just in case it did get crappy and when the actual snow hit here, I could still go to work like a good little gremlin. Yeah. And yeah, it pretty much rained. There was some snow. So I'm now at my parents' house, and it's 20 miles closer to the mountains. Just raining. Nothing else. No, nothing else. Get it! Oh, okay. So it is currently 10 o'clock at night, well, 10:30 on Saturday, and we're supposed to have a bunch of snow, and still nothing. Just rain. Supposedly it's supposed to be completely different tomorrow morning, but doubtful. This is such a fail at everything. Vlogging, blizzarding, but that's Colorado. You really can't predict the weather at all. So I'm gonna go to bed and see what the morning brings. Well, it finally snowed, and it'll be gone by like 5 o'clock, so that's good news for me because I have to work tonight, but that's it. Other places got like 3 times as much as this, so I'm gonna say this is a failed blizzard up here. But it kind of cleared up, and then my dad and I went to where we live to do some shopping, and it kind of started snowing again, but it was still mostly rain. Yep, it's pretty much done. kind of doing like a rain snow mix, but no blizzard at all. Oh, hi puppy. But I got this guy. Look at him. Look at him. I'm very happy about that. By the time I went to work last night, it was pretty much sunny. So now I'm at work, obviously. And it's completely dry out. Well, not completely dry, but for the most part, there's nothing there. It's great. I don't want to be here right now. So it's currently 7 o'clock and the sun came out for a while and the snow is, all evidence is almost gone. Ay, ay, ay. And then this storm is still supposed to be here today. It's not. But I just figured I'd share how crazy Colorado weather can be. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have for this week. I've been busy packing and getting ready to move stuff because I move in about a month, so that's exciting. If you all enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. I'm really sad that I couldn't make a snowman out of the snow. I really wanted to. I was hoping for a fall and blizzard because this was like supposed to be good snow, where it was wet and heavy and you could build things, and it was sad. Okay, bye.